some pencils and sharpeners, and spending the same amount of money as Aron, Aditya bought twice as many pencils and 10 less sharpeners. If the cost price of one sharpener is 2 more than cost price of a pencil, then the minimum possible number of pencils bought by Aron and Aditya together is how many? Achha, it's given that the cost of one sharpener is 2 more than cost of a pencil. So let's say cost of a pencil is X rupees. So cost of a sharpener will be 2 more X plus 2 rupees. Fine. Now let's say Aron, the number of pencils which Aron bought is P, and the number of sharpeners that Aron bought is S. So what about Aditya? Aditya bought twice as many pencils. So Aditya bought 2P pencils, and this is pencils, and the number of sharpeners that he bought is 10 less. So S minus 10. But in this process, what happens is the total cost of Aron and Aditya is same. So the total cost of Aron will be the cost of pencils, which is P into X, plus cost of sharpeners, which is S into X plus 2. So this together is the total cost of Aron. And what about total cost of Aditya? It will be 2P into price of pencil, 2Px, plus sharpeners into price of sharpener, S minus 10 into X plus 2. This is total cost of Aditya and this is total cost of Aron, and both of them are said to be equal. They have spent the same amount. So we have 2Px minus Px is Px, and if you expand this, you have S into X plus 2 into S is equal to Px plus S into X plus S into 2S minus 10 into X minus 10 into 2, which is minus 20. Okay, so Sx cancels out, 2s cancels out, and taking this 20 on the left hand side, we have 20 is equal to Px minus 10x. So 20 is equal to, taking x common, we have P minus 10. So this is what we have. This is what we can simplify. Now the question is, minimum possible number of pencils bought by Aron and Aditya together. So together they buy P plus 2P, 3P pencils, right? To minimize this, we need to minimize the value of P. Now if you look at this equation here, what can be the least possible value of P? Now here you have a positive number. X is also a positive number. X is cost price, right? So this should be a positive number. Hence P minus 10 should be a positive number, and since P is number of pencils, so P has to be an integer also. So P has to be a positive integer such that P minus 10 is also positive. So the least integral value of P should be 11 such that this becomes positive, right? If this becomes 0, then 20 equals to 0 is not possible. So P cannot be 10. The least possible value of P is 11. Hence the least possible number of total pens that the two of them together bought is 3 into 11, 33. So the correct answer here is option C, 33.